Legal notice to Idubbbz?
So
What?
Froggy Fresh
Idubbbz is getting sued now?
went on his Twitter and posted the notice of termination he got from Creator Clash on March 5th, 2023 for engaging in conduct that degraded and offended the event sponsors, obviously referring to the disparaging comments Froggy made about the event on a podcast from April 26, 2023, that Idubbbz showed in his video as obvious proof that Froggy did indeed break his contract 11 days after the event took place. Froggy captions this on Twitter by saying, "I know everyone's sick of hearing about this, and trust me, I'm sick of talking about it. So if you were over this, just scroll past, don't worry about it, I get it. But I have to finally address this big point which Ian is saying they weren't threatening to sue me. Attached is the legal letter
It's so weird when YouTubers get into legal shit, right? I never understood that shit. I feel like it's all bullshit. There's always these big threats and like, has anyone ever gotten like sued for like everything through YouTube? I know fucking H3 fucking said a bunch of shit like that, but I don't know if that shit actually even ended up happening. Bowblacks did? I don't know.
I was sent threatening legal action. I highlighted the important parts. Also to clarify, the only thing I had done up to this point is spoken to Ian on the phone and
I did say I was suing Keemstar at one point. But I wasn't gonna do it.
through text, trained with Sam Hyde, and the OnlyFans joke. And of course, Marian and I's Twitter exchange, which Idubbbz didn't include in his video for obvious reasons. Since she was publicly discussing my removal from the event before I had even been contacted regarding it, Ian's timeline of events is skewered. I didn't start publicly bad-mouthing the event until after I had been kicked. They kicked me and sent me this letter telling me to basically shut up about it. So that's pretty much it. The letter reads as follows. Notice of termination of bout agreement. Dear Mr. Cassidy, as you know, Creator Clash LLC entered into a bout agreement with you dated to, based on your recent comments, specifically by engaging in conduct that has degraded and offended the event sponsors. Based on this material breach of the bout agreement, Creator Clash is hereby providing you notice pursuant to Section 12 of the bout agreement, that it is terminating the bout agreement effective immediately. Please be advised that you shall no longer participate in the event, or any event activities, and pursuant to Section 8C of the bout agreement, Creator Clash shall have no further duties or obligations to you. In addition, please be advised that the confidentiality obligations set...
Leafy, are you gonna talk to Nick? Dude, someone really needs to like tell me how you like actually say his last name, because this is gonna be super embarrassing if I call him and I say his name wrong. But yes, I'm gonna be calling Nick at the end of the stream. So after like an hour.
set forth in Section 17 of the bout agreement shall survive termination of the bout agreement. Thus, Creator Clash demands that you immediately cease and desist from making any further public or private statements about Creator Clash, your participation in the event, the terms of the bout agreement, or this letter, or any of the participants or event sponsors.
For Fuentes. One in the chat if that's correct. For Fuentes. For Fuentes.
Sponsors of Creator Clash. Continuing to engage in such conduct will cause you to be liable for damages to Creator Clash, and Creator Clash...
Nick is on stream in 20 minutes. Okay, I will call Nick after about an hour.
will seek all remedies available to it in order to protect its rights. Creator Clash is presently evaluating all courses of action that may be available to it due to your actions and omissions, which have caused Creator Clash to incur significant damages. Accordingly, Creator Clash hereby reserve all of its representative rights, powers, and remedies under the bout agreement and applicable law. No failure, whether at this time or in the future.
I don't know what's more weird, when YouTubers get into some legal shit or when people sit there and they like try to like pick apart like if they actually have like grounds to sue them. Like, no, you know, Froggy Fresh could get sued here, or no, Froggy Fresh is actually completely in the right. I mean, who really knows? Is anyone here like an active lawyer or anything? I mean, there might be one person. That'd be pretty cool.